Hey Roman.
Oh, it's you again. What do you want?
So I see you're trying to discover a new CVE, but I still haven't understood the previous one you discovered. Can you explain it?
I was just about to crack this one, but okay, come with me. Okay, so we recently discovered a new vulnerability in the Linksys router. The vulnerability is a very beautiful and elegant one, and it allowed the remote attacker to achieve an easy-to-exploit remote code execution on the device. In one of the forms inside the web interface of the device, the user was asked for a username and a password in order to register to a remote service. This username and password was propagated to a URL in the router's backend, and a web request was made based on this credential that was specified. The problem is that the user could provide a hashtag, which is a comment, and in this way commenting out most of the URL and redirecting the request to any IP and port that the user wants. This is not it, because the user could provide additional command line arguments that will allow the result of the web request to be written in any file on the operation system of the device, leading to override any file. Eventually, we also find out that there is some scripts in the file system that runs every period of time, such as every minute. So, by specifying a very well-crafted input, the username and password, the user could override the script that is run every minute in the device with its own script, and in this way allowing a remote code execution on the device. This vulnerability once again shows how important is correct user input sanitation, as every user input could be malicious and should be treated accordingly.
Got it.